Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video, so let's get this thing out the way really quick, because I don't got a lot of time on my recording. I normally don't use this phone, but yeah, we're gonna do it this way, so let's get to it. So this is the package right here, and I'm going to explain it very briefly. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So if you guys do not know, I did purchase a new case for my PC, which I said I was going to do. I did purchase the Lian Li, the Lian Li 011D Evo RGB case. So that's coming in the mail this Tuesday. It might get here earlier than that. So yeah. So I was trying to buy the Lian Li fans. The pre-order, basically, I'm getting my case this Tuesday. The pre-order for the LCD screens doesn't become available until the day I actually get it, which is the 11th. So I needed fans so I can start my build right away, so I purchased these, which I'm happy to actually get, because these are something just like the Lian Li ones. This is the Unify, whatever the name is. Turn this upside down. So these are the Unify fans. It's just like the Lian Li ones, just like it. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna check this out, make sure this thing works like it. We'll have to put in my other build. Basically, to see, there ain't no deal. Bat knife, unbox it. Here we go. So this is a set of 3s. I only paid like $34 a piece for it. So it came out to about $60 something for a set of 6. See, just like that. I'm not going to take this one out. I'm going to leave that one for the other room. But here's the fans right here. Just like the Lian Li fans, just like that. I didn't want to take it out. Just stuck to the thing. It does have the infinity mirrors on it. So I am going to check these out. That I am going to put this on my other PC and see exactly how it comes out. As you can see right there. It does have the connector, so you can connect it on towards it like that. So I'm looking at these pins, like the pins a little bit bent. I don't know. So I don't know if this goes here. No. So this actually connects to the other part of the fan. So I'm thinking, oh, okay, you got screws and stuff like that. So I think these parts latch on like this. Yeah, it latches on like this. You snap it in like that. So basically it's like this. Pop it in. You snap it on like that, just like that. Then you got the one piece that connects to it like that. It's just like the Unifans. So I'm gonna check this out on my other PC. This is how it is, and I will catch you guys later. These are the these right here. I'm gonna put the link to this in the description so you guys can get it. These are 120 millimeter fans right there, as you can see right here. I will put the links in the description for this. This is just like the Lian Li one. So yeah, I'm gonna test these out right now, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.